Can you do this? Yeah, it's a pigeon. Yeah, and no, it's not a pigeon, it's my lips. Oh shit, I farted. Fuck up. Well, thank you guys for letting me waste a minute and 40 seconds of your life of me making pigeon sounds. Thank you. Oh, and one more thing, I'll be making Minecraft videos soon. I'll be making some weird stuff, so if you guys wanna check that out later, I'm gonna make a video this week. Alright, peace. I'll see you later. Hey guys, and one more thing. I'm not gonna do those rated videos anymore. Just too disappointing. Yeah. And I don't know why I have this picture of this girl, but whatever. So yeah. And I forgot what I was gonna say, but whatever. I have Minecraft videos coming up soon. Give me ideas what I can make. I can make like a water house, lava house, castle, sand castle, whatever the hell you guys want me to make, I'll make it. Cause I'm a G6. So I fly like a G6.